Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make Dhokla or Khaman in Hamare style. It's a very popular dish in India. I hope you will definitely going to love it. So let's start. First take 8 to 9 spoons of gram flour in a bowl. Then add salt as per taste. Add 2 teaspoons sugar powder. Baking soda. Lemon juice. And water. Now mix it nicely. Add water in between. Keep on mixing until it becomes a smooth batter. Batter consistency should be as shown. If you want, you can add 1 to 2 teaspoon curd also. Now add ENO in it and keep mixing. Now you can see, because of this ENO, our batter started puffing. Now transfer this batter in a flat pan which is coated with the oil. Spread it nicely. Now put this pan in a boiling water as shown here. Now we are going to steam this, so cover with a lid and let it steam for 20 minutes on a medium flame. Now open the lid You can check by putting knife inside it. If knife comes out clean, it means our dhokla cooked nicely. Wow, it looks so yummy. Now take it out in a plate. You can see it becomes so spongy. Now cut it into square shapes. Wow, you can see it's really looked nice. Now we are going to pour the tempering on our dhokla or khaman. So take some oil. Once oil becomes hot, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, sugar and water. Now pour this tempering on our dhokla nicely. Spread all over the dhokla. Finally, garnish with some fresh coriander leaves. Wow, our dhokla or khaman really looks awesome. So do try this recipe and tell us your feedback in comments. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.